Guys, welcome back to Roatan. We are in the beautiful residential neighborhood in Sandy Bay. I'm Chris Inger, this is Sophia Fideo, and we're with Roatan Life Real Estate.
So welcome back, Chris. Here we are at Santosha Beach House in Seadancer, which is in East Sandy Bay. And so this is a lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom main house with a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment down below. And so this is quite a nice little setup that they've got going on here.
Absolutely. This is a great option for anyone that's looking to come down here and retire, but also have a little extra income for a little extra diving or maybe eating out or whatnot.
Well, exactly. So that apartment can be rented out long-term or short-term, whichever you like, because this is a great community close to so many things.
Easy access.
Easy access, definitely. And then you've got a pool in the back.
Ooh.
And you're just steps away from the beach.
Yeah, we are just literally probably about, 25 steps to the beach, and it's a pretty beach. And it's quiet and private. You don't have any tourists over here.
No, so this is a great place if you want to make it your full-time home or your vacation getaway.
Absolutely. Really good options. And so we've got just under 2,000 square feet. Is that right?
Yeah, so we're at 1920 square feet, 19,000 square feet. Look at me. We haven't done this for a while, so I'm losing myself. And
we're just under a quarter acre.
Yeah, so 0.21 of an acre. So there is a little bit of room if you want to make some modifications and stuff, which is nice.
And then this property is also part of the HOA.
So there's not an HOA here in Seadancer, but there is a community dock, and they do pay to maintain that dock and for usage rights. So it's $50 a household a month to maintain the dock and for usage.
That's great though, because then you can get in and out of the water as much as you want.
Great for paddle boarding, snorkeling, kayaking, sunbathing. Gives you everything, gives you access to what you want when you're coming down to Roatan to live.
Excellent, and I'm sure there's some dive shops that just pick you up on the way.
Absolutely, and there's dive shops on either side, so not too far away.
No problems there. Well, should we go take a peek?
Let's go have a peek.
I'm excited. After you.
So very nice beachy feel here in this open concept living and dining area. Lots of space. It's bright and cool.
It's really quite cheery in here. You've got nice high vaulted ceilings. It looks like new furnishings in here, and all handmade from the island.
Right, so we have all the woodwork here in this home was made by a local guy.
Yeah.
And
he's done a nice job. It really keeps the island feel. They've got beautiful color choices. It's nicely decorated, and this comes turnkey, right?
This is turnkey furnished, so everything you see here basically comes with a home. There are a couple personal items that they'll be taking with them,
of course.
It's ready to move in.
Great, and I did notice that they do have an alarm, so we do have Bulldog security already installed if anybody wants to continue or maintain that, right?
Right, so Bulldog Security, once again, is a company here on the island that they do alarm systems and they do patrols as well. So they're great, they're reliable, and it's a great feature.
And I was just looking around and noticing that it's so much light coming in, because it's in the later afternoon, but it's really nice and cheery in here still.
Absolutely.
And very comfortable. The ceiling fans, that's all you need.
It's very nice and cool in here. And you have a full kitchen. So you've got fridge, stove, dishwasher. Nice setup so that you can entertain.
You've got full size everything. You do have a nice gas stove, which is great.
Which we have mostly on the island because the gas gives us, sometimes we do have power outages here on the island, and that gives us the option to cook while we're in the dark.
Hanging out in the dark.
So let's check out those bedrooms. Let's go to the guest bedroom, which is quite nice.
Oh, it's perfect. Perfect size.
So this is set up currently for guests. So you've got 2 beds.
That's perfect, because you could slide them together if you wanted a queen, you could, or if you had multiple guests, you could probably even do a bunk bed setup with a queen and a single.
Absolutely.
Really great. And it does have air conditioning.
Yes, so there's air conditioning in all the bedrooms.
Wow, look at the bathroom.
Very nice bathroom. It's a full bath with a bathtub, which is a rarity here on the island.
Very rare.
And then we have a closet here. And then on the other side, we have the master bedroom.
This is a beautiful size master.
It's a great size, very relaxing, somewhere where you can lay your sleepy head after doing all that wonderful beach activities.
Ah, yes, definitely. You've got a good, nice little, again, natural light, lots of windows. And you've got a nice, this is a queen size, I'd say.
It's a queen size bed, yes.
And again, the vaulted ceiling, you've got your air conditioning, and you've got a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath.
Exactly. The walk-in closet is a little bit full right now because the owners do currently live here full time. But we do have the ensuite bathroom right here. And when you're on the island, you want to entertain and enjoy yourself. So right off the kitchen right here, we have a wonderful outdoor living space, including a pool. So let's go have a take a look at that.
You know that'll be the party central. Oh, this is a fantastic space.
So great for dining, hammock for when you need to lounge and relax. Your grill, because
you have to.
Everybody needs a grill.
But look at the size of this pool for, for your own private use. It's great.
This will keep you cool during those hot summer days.
Oh yeah, definitely. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of private garden as well.
Right, so there's lots of space here if you wanted to expand or add gardens, maybe hang an extra hammock.
Mm-hmm. So that over there is a nice storage bodega, right?
Yeah, that's storage so that they can keep all their paddle boards, their kayaks, all their outdoor activity stuff.
Very good. Should we take a look at that rental apartment?
Yes, let's.
Oh, look at that nice outdoor shower.
Outdoor shower, yes, so that when you come back in, Sandy, from the beach, you don't have to drag that in.
Good. So this is a nice little covered deck area, I guess, for the rental unit, right?
This could be additional outdoor eating area for the tenants or for the lower apartment, yes. And private entrance.
Oh, that's so nice for a rental.
And once again, great open concept living area. You've got a kitchen and dining area. You've got a living space.
And again, it's really, even for a basement apartment, you've got high ceilings and lots of natural light. You don't even feel like
you wouldn't even know that you were down below the main house. No, absolutely not. And if we go right over here, there is a full bathroom for the guests.
Oh wow, look at that nice big shower.
Okay, and here we are in the bedroom for the apartment, which is such a large space.
It really is. You've got brand new air conditioner, it looks like, as well.
Brand new AC, and what they just did is they did built-ins. So a built-in closet here, lots of space, and once again, this was done by the same gentleman who built all the furniture upstairs.
This is really beautifully done. Really nice hardwoods. Really well done, handcrafted. Can't get that in North America, that's for sure.
And so this is just. Okay, so let's have one last sweep of this living area before we take a walk to the beach.
This is a great size apartment.
Great size apartment. They did have a long-term renter in here, which is something that you could do all over again.
Well, it would be wonderful because then you could have someone, if you wanted to take care of your rental upstairs.
Absolutely.
Really great options.
And so as I said, this is literally just steps away from the beach. And let's have a quick look here. Right here is the driveway where there's parking space for at least. Okay, so here we are, just taking a quick walk to the beach. That's just steps away from this house.
Sorry about that. We've been having a little technical difficulties.
So we just took a couple of quick steps from the house to the Seadancer beach. So here we are. This is wonderful white sand beaches. And right over here, we have the community dock.
beautiful. I mean, can you imagine? You could do some yoga, you could go and do some lounging in the sun, maybe have a little sunset drink.
And
Very
it's great
nice.
to get into the water if you want to do snorkeling or kayaking or paddle boarding. So
Yeah.
this is really the
you're-
beach life.
You're actually really quite close. You know, a nice swim, maybe a 15-minute swim, and you'd be right out on the reef.
Exactly,
Really great.
which is fantastic for snorkeling and diving.
Absolutely. Well, this was quite a lovely little find.
So thank you for joining us today in Seadancer at Santosha Beach House. We hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.